This is the new Princess R35 and it's got some really nifty little tricks up its sleeve. So I asked, has this boat got wings? Yes, it does have wings, but I'm not going to show you until right at the very end. This is the new Princess R35 and it's got some really neat little tricks up its sleeve. So let's have a little look round and see what you think. We supplied this Princess R35 to a customer new in March 2020. It's only done about 50 hours and represents really good value at £599,000 including VAT. It's got the bright silver hull and she looks absolutely stunning. There's quite a few little features on this boat which are really unique. The first is she's made of carbon fibre. So everything on the boat in the bilges, when you look at the bilges, all you can see is carbon fibre. That makes the boat really strong and really light. The other nifty thing is it's got fins which electro-hydraulically come out of the bottom of the boat. Now, I've driven one of these boats on the sea and it's unbelievable. The best way I can describe it is if you had a roller coaster that was just under the surface of the waves and you go into a corner as fast as you dare go and the boat goes round like it's on rails. And I know everyone says that, but this really does. My brother and I, Nick, went out for a blast in one of these a year or so ago, and I went so fast around the corner that it nearly flipped him out of the boat. So you can go as fast as your body can hold on. So let's have a look around the dashboard, etc. Okay, so this boat's got a glass cockpit, so you've got these two big screens which control all the systems on the boat. I can lift the engine hatch, I can sound the horn, I can look at the rev counter, the engine information, the GPS, the position of the fins and everything. Also, the boat has got this comfort and sport mode like you get in your car. So if you press comfort, the blades on the fins adjust down so that you don't get as harsh a ride. And in sport, they go further down so you get a grippier ride. So it really is the latest technology. Let's go and have a look down below. As you can see, it's actually quite a nice space down here. You've got this table which converts down to make this into a double berth, and you've got heads, which I'll show you in a second, and a small galley. The boat's also fitted with a 4 kVA generator with heating and reverse cycle air conditioning, and it's all finished in this lovely, I think it's called silver birch, but whatever it's called, it looks really cool and really modern and funky. You've also got loads of light. Can you see here? Nearly need the shades. And you've got an electric blind here and these lovely windows here to let in light. It's actually a really nice space. Okay, so we have a small galley with a real granite worktop. Got a little sink, hot and cold water. You've got little cupboards here for knickknacks. You've also got a little fridge here, and then because you need more booze space, you've got another fridge here, which is quite nice. Air condition controllers here and all the light switches, and then in here is just the generator stop start and the name stereo system, which is super crystal clear and loud. Beautiful extra, I love that. This is the air conditioning vent. I don't know if you can tell, but the detailing and the finishes are just, this is a kind of a leather, are absolutely exquisite. So you definitely get what you pay for, but it's got a lovely toilet too. And this is the little toilet. Well, it's called a heads on a boat, but it's got a lovely sink. Look at the detail. It's got little cupboards for putting your knickknacks in. But if you come round here, you can see it's got a little shower here with a lance, which I think you connect somewhere up high. Can't see it at the moment, but anyway, I think it connects up high. And then you can use this room as a wet room. So for a 35-foot boat, it's quite a nice little day end. This boat has been designed by Pininfarina. Can you see that badge there? Beautiful little badge, but it's more than the badge. They made this boat look absolutely stunning from the outside, and that's where we're going to go next. And I'm going to show you the underwater fins. So hang in there for another minute or two. Okay, so this one's in titanium silver metallic, which I think looks lovely. I know it's sunny today, but it still looks lovely, you must agree. The anchor comes out of this little hatch here. This is all carbon fibre, so super strong and light. You've got your bow thruster there, but if we go right to the back, look at these lovely scoops and details here. Look at this, all carbon fibre, stainless steel. Then if you just come around here, on the back here, you'll see the Volvo outdrives. It's got twin Volvo V8 petrels with 430 horsepower each. And counter-rotating stainless steel propellers, which will give the boat about 45-50 knots. But the best bit, and I've left it to last, is kind of here. Can you see these blades? Now these blades, and I don't think I've seen them on any other video, is these blades come down electro-hydraulically. So that's in the stowed position. And then when you change it to sport mode, these will come down and deeper into the water. And this means that when you go round a corner, it goes round like it's on rails. I mean, it's a joke. The only reason I didn't fly out is because I was holding onto the steering wheel. But my brother Nick, I think he hurt his bum because he landed on the seat opposite with quite a jump, to be honest. But anyway, this is what transforms this boat and makes it super special. So in summary, if you've got 600 grand to spend on a toy that looks like no other, goes like a bat out of hell, handles like a bat out of hell, and I can't think of anything else to rhyme with that, but if you want something that is so much fun, then you can't beat this. And doesn't she look beautiful too? And all handmade in England. You can't beat that. Oh, one last thing. If you like our channel and lackadaisical reviews, then don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the button underneath the screen. I promise you won't be disappointed.